my channel. I am Amira, and here we not only turn trash into treasure, but we create dope ideas on a dime. Quarantine, week 4. Hope everyone's staying positive and optimistic. Doing pretty well, aside from the fact that I can't stop eating, and my hair is gonna drive me up a wall. Literally have double horns. Short hair is really cute if you have it down and styled and blown out. It's like a mess. It's a fucking mess. It won't stay up. Like, it literally won't cooperate no matter what I do, and I just feel like all day and I'm like trying to figure out what to do. And I really just want to shave it off. My whole thing when it comes to beauty is like, I was gonna say no maintenance. Like, that's probably why I should just shave my head. I got the idea to create a texture spray. You know, I bought these from the store before. They're really cool, like beachy wave sprays and stuff. Honestly, I'm like, if it's sea salt spray, like ocean water, salt water spray, and that should be something you can make at home. So, you know, I did a little research, and lo and behold, it is something you can make at home. Without further ado, let me take you on into my kitchen and let's get it started. All right, so let's get into the nitty gritty of this. You're gonna need some type of moisturizing oil. I have some sea salt, which I'm gonna take the grinder off to get the chunks out of it. Here we are. You're gonna need an old spray bottle, any essential oil of your liking. I know a lot of people do lavender, but I have rose, and I'm probably a couple drops of lemon as well. Put that in there. And we're just gonna make it hot. Not boiling, but just hot. Then I'm gonna take the coconut oil. I will really switch this out for castor oil at some point because I want my hair to grow. A teaspoon of this. Salt can be like super drying to your hair, so we need something that's a little moisturizing. So we're just gonna do a little nugget. Ooh. I'm gonna do like this much. Already getting really hot. Coconut oil is already hot and melted in there. Get off this grinder. Honestly, you're supposed to do 1 tablespoon, and I guess I'll measure it out, but I hate measuring things out. So, and I kind of think the more the merrier when it comes to this, because I want my hair to be really crispy. Crystals. All right, so while we're waiting for this to cool, I'm actually gonna go just sink wash my hair really quick and get it wet. And then I'll come back after it's cooled down and add the essential oils to it, put it in the spray bottle, and then style my hair with it. This is what it looks like. It's pretty salty, but I think I put like 3 times as much salt as I was supposed to. I'm gonna do a lot because I always do too much of everything. Just a couple though. Not even gonna brush it. Smells good. Spritzing. Like this video. If you did, if you would just give it a thumbs up and help out a young YouTuber, let me know you're watching, that you like it, that you like where I'm going. Any feedback, happily read below. I read all my comments and everything, of course. If you guys wanted to subscribe, I'm actually headed to our family cabin in Montana tomorrow. So I'm gonna have some cool macrame projects, doing some macrame feathers, doing some super dope, fun cross-stitching projects for the house. Gonna flip a jacket, embroider a jacket, and I'm gonna do a follow me around vlog. So if any of that sounds interesting, Press the little subscribe button, even the bell, because I don't post on a schedule. It's all random. And yeah, I hope you guys really stay positive and rooted during this crazy, uncertain time of coronavirus, and healthy, overall healthy, and kind of enjoy the slowness while you're at it. Well guys, I'm off to more quarantine activities like packing, so I am off. But like I always say, love hard, be a light, and always have a little faith in your future. Until next time guys, I'm Amira.